All right, now garlic butter blue crabs and fresh Mayport shrimps. Don't that look good, man? Yes, sir. Fresh Mayport shrimps, and you might as well say these are fresh Mayport blue crabs because I caught them in Atlantic Beach. Going to the house and we're gonna go and cook these up, man. Yeah, big dogs. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You already know what time it is. We're about to do some crabbing. We're in Atlantic Beach, and I'm gonna go with 5 nets, y'all. Trying to hurry up because the tide is high and it should be dropping here in a minute. So I'm gonna get to dropping these things, guys. I appreciate y'all for coming through my channel. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. If we have a good video, this probably gonna be a catch, clean, and cook, or catch and cook, whatever you call it. And I'm not sure on how I'm gonna cook these up, but hopefully we have a good day. And let's get it, man. All right, y'all, I'm gonna let those soak for about a good 5 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna try to go towards the 10 minutes because I don't know what's back here. Plus, I don't know, y'all, because I don't want the tide to get rushing out of here. Oh, look how peaceful it is out here. That's the Wonderwood Bridge, y'all. I saw those Navy people going to work on the base. Should do a little fishing, man. It's been about 5 minutes, man. I'm trying to take my time, y'all. It's so hard not to pull these traps. Here we go. Here we go, y'all. Crab. Oh, yeah. Got a big dog right here. I don't know how the camera was acting, y'all. I don't know how the camera was acting, but I don't know what I had the camera on, should I say. But anyways, y'all, we got one big crab right here. He got one big arm, one little arm, so he must have broke one off before. Let me get him up out of here. He done went in the grass. He's went in the grass, but we still got him. Ooh, look, he got one little arm, y'all. Look. Throw this trap back. He got one big arm, one little arm. But I can tell this like about a 5.5. We're gonna go on and throw this in the cooler. Did not bring my bucket, like I always say, but ouch. We're gonna let the traps soak for some more, y'all. All right, you guys, I just caught this big female. I don't know what's going on with my camera. It was not recording, but yeah, we got this big girl. She is definitely over 6 inches, but I don't know what's going on with my camera, man, so I gotta figure this out. I don't know what's going on. I pressed record and it wasn't even recording, so I don't know. I don't think I pressed the wrong button, but anyways, we got this big girl. We're gonna go in and drop her in the cooler. But yeah, when they this big, y'all, I'll keep them. I don't care. I'll keep them when they this big, man. Unless I'm having like a ton of big males. But man, female this big, you gotta keep. What's up, man? You YouTubing? No?
No, I ain't got time for that.
You just on the phone?
Yeah.
You got time for it. You riding.
Yeah.
All it is, riding and talking. Fishing and talking.
Yeah.
That boy's setup is raw. Big. Knew that was big. Knew that was big. I knew that was big. Ooh, that's a big dog. Yeah. I knew that was something big, y'all. Yes, sir. Let's get him up out of there. Yes, sir. I don't let him go in the grass, y'all. Them motherfuckers getting so dirty. Let's get him up out of here. Oh, that's a big dog. Yes, sir. Let's put him in the light. Look at that boy. Big dog. Ooh-wee. Big boy. That's what we want right there, y'all. We got 3 nice sized crabs. Quick too. Look like he got mud all on him, y'all. He probably was in the mud. Look at the mud on his back. Laying down in the mud. Crabs can like dig down in the mud, y'all. So they will go in the mud. Dang, he got mud all on his back. On his back shell. Alright, y'all. We working with something. We working with something. That's what I like to see. Dang, what the heck? Oh, shoot. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna pull this other trap, then I'll untangle that. Come on now. Big crab on deck. Big crab. Big crab. Come on. Big crab. Oh yeah, we got two. Yes, sir. Where you going, my boy? Yes, sir. Get on there. There you go. Hold on now. Let me take you. Let me take you back to the cooler. Damn, I gotta get both of these, y'all. Let me get my tongs. Shoot. I did not want to them get in the dirt. Dang. They'll dirty up my cooler. Dang, y'all. I got 2 big crabs. 2 nice crabs, y'all. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's what I like to see. Come on, y'all. Good day. Good day. We own them. We own them. Good day. 2 crabs. It's rare back here that I pull up 2 crabs now. Yes, sir. I thought it was going kind of slow at first. Y'all won't believe that I forgot my drone. But my beautiful wife said she's gonna bring it to me, so I should be able to get y'all some footage, even though I'm right here by Mayport base. And they restrict drone flying over here. But yeah, man. We on the move, y'all. Yeah. Oh, I'm showing the cooler. They right here. Let's take these boys up out of here. Yes, sir. We on them, baby. And they big too, though. That's the thing, like that's the thing. They big. They big. Yeah. Yeah. See, this is what you want all day and night. Big crabs. Big crabs, man. Got all that grass on them. They cut the grass out here. I guess they did it yesterday. There you go, let go. We got us one, y'all. We got us one. Yes, sir. And he big, too. Damn, he big. And he's dirty. There we go. There we go. Dang, man, I want you to... I'm gonna take them over here, y'all, and try to clean them off, because I'm tired of all that dirt in my cooler. Oh yeah, y'all. We got another big dog right here. It's a nice big fella. Need to buy me some more tongues, y'all, because This is like I got 3 pair of tongues, but these mugs are dirty. I mean, not dirty, but they broke. So maybe I should bring a crab trap over here, y'all. I might catch some over here. Who knows? Get a little bit of this dirt off, y'all. Makes it easier for me when I'm cleaning my cooler. Oh, there's no alligator over here. There we go. Nice and clean. He's wider than I would like, y'all, because you know I like them big yellows, rusty crabs, but he's a big dog and he's a keeper, so he's definitely going in the cooler. So we got some big crabs, y'all. Yeah.
Weeks on the regular.
Yeah.
Hated it. It's fun when you're young.
Yeah, things change. Look at that boy. Got us another big dog. Yeah, he's trying to get up out of there. He's gonna try to climb up out of there. Yee! Yee! I'm gonna let him get in the cooler. I don't want him to go on the ground. There we go, y'all. Go in the cooler. There we go. Y'all, we got some big males and 1 female crab. Nice crab right there. This ain't as big as the other ones, but look at that little arm. Whew. That's a little one. Put this right here. I'll let this one. If he can get in there, if he can get back in the water, he can go. This crab ain't big compared to the other one, even though it's guaranteed to be 5. But I might let it go because I got some big dogs. This one's 5 3/4, y'all. Look at that little claw rejuvenating. He's going in the cooler, y'all. He big. He 5 3/4, man. That's big enough for me. Got that little baby claw though. Oh, them are soft. Crazy. Put this in the cooler, y'all. Come on now, let me get a crab, man. God dang. I was gonna slow it down, but little baby crab. Little baby crab, y'all. That ain't big. Little baby crab. Nothing special. Nothing special. Got a big dog down here though, cause I already know it. I already know it. Oh yeah. Oh, another little small crab. Another little small crab. Oh, look at the color on this one. Yo, look at the color on that crab. Y'all can't even see it. All right, you guys, so I'm about to get up out of here, man. The crabbing did slow down. I cleaned up my area pretty good. This is the damage. We got some big boys in there. I think I'm gonna go on and take these to the crib right now and clean them up. I know I'm gonna go clean them up, should I say. But yeah, I got some big boys in there. And yeah, as far as like crabbing spots and if there's crabs and anything like that, do I like to fish low and high tide? Which one do I prefer? Man, if the crabs are there, they're there. Just don't go to a spot where it gets to the mud, because the crabs will leave. If you're at a spot where there's a good current, the tide and the flow of the current will move the crabs around, y'all. So you just have to go out to spots and just test it out for yourself. I can't tell you exactly like how your spot or whatever area you're in gonna do, how it's gonna do. So you just gotta go out there and test it around. But let's get up out of here, man, and go cook these boys up. Oh, I'm gonna try to go somewhere right now and give y'all some drone footage, man. So let's do that, and we'll be in the kitchen soon.
It's big cat.
All right, y'all, about to come get some shrimps from Safe Harbor, man. $3 a pound. Thank you, sir. All right. Look at that line, man. Shoot. Golly. Trying to see what I want, y'all. Man, look at them fries. Hush puppies. Hush puppies. Look at those shrimps. White shrimps. Snow crab. Dungeness crabs and some other kind of crab. Lobster tails or mussels. About to get these. Oh look, y'all, soft shell blue. Oh, soft shell blue crabs. Soft shell blue crabs, y'all. That's crazy. Frozen blue crabs. Well, they mussels have got a good price. $14. I love that. I'm about to get this. Green little mussels, y'all. I love these right here, boy. I'm in here to get some Mayport shrimps, y'all. I think I'm gonna go with the head off shrimps. How you doing? Can I get a pound of the head off shrimps, head off Mayport shrimp. Extra large. Yes, ma'am. Oh, look, they got Dungeness. Got Dungeness in this thing. All kind of stuff in here, y'all. I might walk around for y'all so y'all can see it. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Appreciate it, brother. Great weekend, all right?
Look, y'all. Oh, look at those scallops. Lobster tails. Salmon. Jeez. Good stuff, y'all. Look at that. Y'all see it.
They call it the North End restaurant.
Queen snapper. Jeez.
Thank you.
Like, y'all see it. I ain't even gotta read it all over to you, but y'all see what time it is, man. Let me get up out of here, y'all. But they got cooked food too. Y'all know the restaurant across the street, Safe Harbor. You can go over there and get you some cooked food. They got all your seasonings in here. I don't see no Florida seasoning though. I don't see that Maryland seasoning. I don't see it. What y'all call it? J.O.? I can't remember what it's called, but I don't see it. Alright, y'all, I'm about to get up out of here, man. I just came to get some shrimps. And I got some mussels to go with it. Yeah. Alright, y'all, I'm home and we're about to cook these crabs up. I'm just gonna go with the crabs and the shrimps for now, y'all. So I'll cook those mussels at a later date. And I got these boys on that ice. I got them on that ice, so they're not moving right now. So I'm about to go in and clean these boys up, and we gonna get to cooking. I'll see they still alive now. See their mouth moving? But anyways, we gonna clean these boys up, and then we gonna get to cooking. I think I'm just gonna go with the J.O. sauce and some white vinegar. I'm gonna keep it simple today. Let y'all see what y'all be eating on. Y'all like that mustard. There you go. That's that mustard y'all be eating. Cooked guts. Disgusting. I ain't gonna say it's disgusting, man. Cause when it is cooked, it do got that little flavor to it. But catching crabs and seeing all the stuff they eat and stuff like that. Nah, no thanks. I seen crabs up under the bridge eating a stink shark, a dead stink shark with some buzzards. Cause I was wondering what the buzzards was doing up under the bridge. And they was down there eating an old decayed shark along with the crabs. So everybody know that crabs are scavengers. It ain't no big deal. Ain't no big news. But I just don't want to eat the stuff that is. I don't want to eat it. The cheese, whatever y'all call it. I just think of it as guts. Waste, bowel movement. That's how I clean them out, y'all. Pretty good. Okay, I'm trying to cut the water off. Oh, but yeah, y'all, this is how I clean it out. Y'all keep asking me how I do it. Just go to my previous videos and you'll see. So just rewind it and do what you gotta do. Rewind it, stop it. Whenever you can't see what I'm doing, just rewind it, stop it, play it slow. Whatever you gotta do. But I just take the knife, pull up the apron, you can do whatever you want. Pull that up, twist it off, then go on and pop that. You can pull it from the corner. I'll usually just pull it from right here. My bad, y'all. Shoot. Pull them off like that. Ugh, look at all that stuff. That's what y'all be wanting to eat. My bad, y'all. I'm sorry. Shoot. But yeah, that's how you clean them up, y'all. And then I just start taking the gills off, take the face off, the mandibles, or whatever these call his mouth. Then I start cleaning out the insides. Golly. Y'all be careful of the spikes, man. Shoot. Didn't clean this one out the best, but it's cleaned up pretty good. We got some nice sized crabs, y'all. Shoot. Once again, that's how I do it. Just trying to show y'all how it's done and how I do it. Bruh, this crab ate a hook. Y'all look, this crab had a hook in him. What the heck? Never have I ever seen that. The crab ate a hook, man. Wow. Crazy. Hey, no. Now that's crazy. Now that's crazy. Wow, y'all. All right, y'all. I'm gonna finish cleaning up the rest of these crabs, and I'll get back with you. Here are the shrimps. All right, the crabs are good and cleaned, and there goes that hook that was in the crab. Look at the crab, y'all, twitching. That's fresh. Got those Mayport shrimps on deck. Now I'm about to season up the water and get to cooking. Got them boys looking good, ready to go. Y'all count them. It don't take that long because they clean, y'all, and there's no shell on the back, so does not take long. Once they start back boiling, I'm probably gonna take them out, y'all. Once they start back boiling, take it out, man, because it don't take that long. I'm going to drop these, y'all. These shrimps, fresh Mayport shrimps. I'm about to go in and drop these, y'all. I like to let I don't cook my shrimps long. As soon as the shells start rising from the shrimp, then I take them out. I don't keep them in there long, y'all, because I don't overcook my shrimps. That's a big thing that you need to not do. But some people overcook their shrimps, and it's terrible. Shrimp don't take that long to cook, y'all. So don't leave them just soaking in the water unless you're going to throw some ice or something in there to calm the water down so the shrimp don't overcook. Here we go. Nice and finished. Once again, don't overcook your shrimps, y'all. That shell will start sticking to the shrimps. You know you overcooked them. All right, y'all, there we go. Now I'm about to plate these up and get to eating it. All right, you guys, here's the end results. Fresh blue crabs caught in Atlantic Beach, right there by Mayport. So, but yes, fresh Mayport shrimps. And this would be considered a garlic crab tray, but I don't have the size to it. But yeah, that's the butter that I make myself. And yeah, this looks pretty good. Let's go on and eat a little bit of this. All right, guys, let's dig in. Let's start with the shrimps first. That flavor already good, y'all. That J.O. sauce, I'm digging it. Very good. Nothing like fresh shrimps. Y'all, I cook the crabs how I want to cook them, man. You can cook them how you want to cook them. I'm not trying to tell y'all how to cook them. You don't have to do it how I do it. Everybody got their own way. So, I mean, I can't say there's a right or a wrong way to eat crabs, how to eat crabs. You crack them how you want to crack them. And eat them how you want to eat them, man. So, it is what it is. I just show you guys different ways I cook them. I just like to clean mine. Crabs are good, y'all. I'm not gonna sit here and eat all these blue crabs right here because I'm gonna be doing a lot of smacking. And if you eat blue crabs, you already know you're gonna make a bunch of noise eating blue crabs. And it's very messy. But yeah. So You cook the crabs how you want to cook them. You can copy me. I just want to show you guys different ways how I do it. And yeah. All right, you guys. I appreciate y'all for coming through my channel. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Leave all comments down below. Check out the description box for some of the things that I use. And peace out.